How to change Google Drive password. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now I would like to bring to your notice that changing your Google Drive password is like changing your Google account password because they are all connected. They are together. Your Play Store, your Google Drive, your Chrome, all of them are under your Google account. Now to do that, the first thing I do is to tap on my email icon at the top right hand corner of my screen. The next thing would be tapping on manage your Google account, and you're going to be tapping on personal info. Now you're going to be scrolling down to where you see passwords, and then you'll be tapping on passwords. Now over here you need a level of verification, so I used my fingerprint. Now go ahead to type in the new passwords you have in mind. Now go ahead and confirm password by typing in the same password you just typed, and then click on change password. Click on change password again, and our password has been changed. And this is exactly how to change Google Drive password. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.